Hi guys, my name is Caitlin and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a very exciting video and I am unboxing my Canon AE-1, which is a film camera if you don't know, which I'm sure you do if you're watching this, but it's a 35mm film camera. I ordered it from Amazon. I know. I could have ordered it from other places, but the one place that I like to buy my used cameras, it didn't come with the lens, and for the actual camera itself, it was like $200 plus the lens, which was like, I think the nicest one they had on there was $80. And I found a used one online on Amazon that showed pictures of the actual camera that was $200. It would have been nice if I could actually find one in my family. But so let's go ahead and finish. I already opened it, but I never actually took it out or anything. So very well packaged, protected, I should say. I can start to see it now. I can actually make it out. See that? It actually says on there, Canon AE-1 35mm film camera with a 51.8 lens used. Very good. Ooh, this is... that was nice. They sent a lens strap, or a camera strap. Unfortunately, I already bought one. That is wonderful. It is very heavy. My hands look massive. I promise I do have actual wrists. Can you guys... This is so heavy. It's heavier than I thought it would be. It is like the same weight as my Canon 5D Mark IV, which is insane. It was nice that they sent a camera strap, but I already bought one with it, and it didn't say that it was including it, so I think I might just have two camera straps. Yeah. So look forward to some film videos, hopefully coming soon. Yeah, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. I can't believe I'm so excited. I should take this off just to make sure it's, yeah, okay. Alright, yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!